Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to find and add friends on Facebook. This will be a super quick and easy tutorial. Now, the first thing that we need to do is click on the Facebook app on our phone. Now, in order to find friend, you just need to click on the search icon located at the top right corner, second option on your screen. Tap on that and you'll be routed to the search bar. As you can see, you already have people you may know suggested to you by Facebook, so you can add friends here by clicking add friend. Now, if you want to find a specific friend, you just need to click on the search bar and find that specific friend. Click on them and there will be an option to add friend. So you just need to click on add friend to send a friend request. And that's it. That's how you find and add friend on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!